boat.
That, my friends, is a cool tornado right there.
And we have a tornado forming from the USS Bush. Hit it!
Look at that tornado.
Come on, keep coming. The bottom starts breaking off.
That is so cool.
I do the top over, not you. It is slowly dying. As it hits the water, it loses.
It's a jumper. It's a jumper.
Hold up.
As our coworker says, it's your jumper. We just saw some lightning on our right.
For how long I can record on
Then
this.
what if that shit came over here?
But cameraman sucks.
It's a jumper.
Yo, what if it mixed into that shit just
Yeah,
starts
shit.
taking out of control?
They can. They can go anywhere, move any direction.
Oh, there it goes.
But it's not gonna hit over here. Unless this shit starts. Whoa, shit. Dang. Wow. That is a tornado. That's one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my life, dude. You're never gonna see something like this. Let's just hope one doesn't form right here because we need to get the fuck out of
I
here.
was gonna say, what if this shit like started coming
Oh my
this way?
god, that is so cool.
Do you imagine is it gonna get together with those and is it gonna form?
That's what I'm saying. It's gonna get
Look at the
bigger.
water. Look at
As
the
it mixes
water.
with those, it's gonna
Do
get
you see
bigger.
the water?
Yeah. It's getting thicker. Yeah, now it's the part where
Yeah,
we
if that
should
comes
start
on
retreating.
land, we need to start getting out of here.
Oh yeah, it's. I think we should start retreating.
Big.
Oh my god. I think we should back up a little bit. Because right there, another one could form anywhere. This thing could jump.
Yo, as it's picking up with that over there, it gets bigger.
It could fall right here too though. Hey, let's get out of here.